right, so if you are on WhatsApp, you know that a lot of brain teasers are going viral to help keep our minds active while making us laugh.
All right.
So,
today's Fun Stop is going to challenge us to unscramble some words or phrases we've been hearing or we've been using regularly due to COVID-19.
all right, but before we start, they say we have an oldie but goodie joining in the fun. Do we have an oldie but goodie?
Not
We don't
yet.
have none?
That's the problem
Not yet.
with oldies but goodies, you know.
You not awake yet?
What,
14.
the sound of the phone, that's us calling you. So please. All right, he's going to be joining us shortly. But in the meantime, do we go ahead with the game in the meantime? We're not so sure.
So why we don't just call him on our F?
So,
Sorry, guys. my
still to
stomach is-
come, we're going to be talking about NCB's level up grant.
Go on now, if on, if
Oh,
on.
the words have started.
It's coronavirus.
Okay.
This
Coronavirus. All right. Okay, so we're going to do it without never. Coronavirus.
That's what we just said.
Coronavirus. Coronavirus.
Yes. Got that one.
Yes, we got that one.
Wuhan. Which is where it would have started.
This one is with a capital M. The M is supposed to capital?
Stay home, but this is not what. This is
It's
not,
stay
that's not
home,
one
but I
word.
wonder why the M capital and that throw me off. I
Is
stay
it?
home. Yeah, it's a
Guys,
capital
that's not
M.
fair. And that's two words.
Well,
Where?
they said words are phrases.
Oh, they did?
Yes.
All right. Stay safe.
Why the capital word? It don't throw me off.
You're going to reach for the cup there. I end up on ground, you know. You know. All right.
Pandemic.
Oh, I was wondering what mice have to do with this, but thanks,
I'm
Harris.
dumping mice. I tell you, my brain
like
thinks a
rats?
certain way. Once
What?
I see the capital letter, it
Okay, it does.
shows pandemic. I'm telling you.
That's part of the tricks.
Yes.
Yes. Not it, Haro? Give me Haro, I agree.
Pandemic.
Press the buzzer first, apparently. Bzzz. Okay.
What Clive? Do you believe that Clive said alcohol and there's no A in that?
Seriously, Claire?
No, sir.
Seriously?
Lockdown.
Okay, thank you, Delia. Alcohol, Claire?
Lockdown.
It worked. Tell you we need the buzzer. All right.
Curfew.
Yes. Good job.
Yeah, I'm a perfume when you're ready.
Purr.
Purr. See my you my purr for
Oh, me don't. You can't purr
Oh,
for
all
me.
right, take it back. Me take back the purr.
P, starts with P, starts with T. Starts with V.
With COVID?
Cannot be so hard.
With COVID. Then say it in a hurry if you know what.
We must get it. Tips? Something tips?
This one I can't, yeah. Of the pests?
Okay,
Test.
It's one T.
Purr. Positive.
Was that a buzzer or a truck? No, you sound like a whole tanker. I come around the corner.
Because I was trying to make sure I had the right one.
Yeah, that was hard. Diagnosed. Oh, sorry. Purr. Diagnosis. Purr. I just did that because I saw like you was going
I
to
never
do
put
it.
on my hand, my gosso.
That's
It's
peace.
a school challenge quiz trick, you know,
Oh,
you go and make the
gosh, but you tricked
opponent
me
purr,
proper.
and then them officer pass.
Hold
Mm.
on.
Oh, break out.
Is it?
Outbreak.
Oh.
Well,
You never purr.
the people them at the water party when them lock up did break out.
They broke out. It's not the same thing.
Outbreak.
Okay. Oh gosh. Face mask. Oh. Purr. Face masks, miss.
All right. Lotion.
Lotion. That miss it too.
Lotion. Lotions.
Oh,
Oh,
isolation.
purr. Arrow get it. Isolation.
You did, Harold.
Oh,
Prince tell you?
Prince.
Quarantine.
Quarantine. That we know. What we know. In
Navigate, no.
what?
Oh, yes,
Oh,
good job.
purr.
Purr. Come, Emily. Negative.
Thanks to Emil.
Thanks, Emil. This can't hurt.
Christopher Tufton.
What?
It's 2 words. One must be hazard.
No.
One and a hazard.
Hand
And
sanitizer.
sanitizer. And if you don't use it, you're going to put your life into a hazard.
Can you use hand sanitizer on your foot? Is there a foot sanitizer?
Well, if you use it on your foot, that it become. And if you rub it all over your body, it's a
Body
lotion.
sanitizer. Maybe you should use foot sanitizer if you walk outside barefooted. To
Maybe
also
some
help
people's
against-
foot just need sanitizing, even outside of COVID.
Me never go there. That's mean.
Like the white foot man where we not try link up. This.
Terrible. His foot was very clean though.
Very clean.
Yeah.
Very, you could see they've been getting his petty done.
It's true.
Yes.
It's true.
But white.
All right, still ahead. Told him we needed some sun. Details on the NCB Level Up grant. News in 5 is next.